Hello, it's John here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at the accent of modern received pronunciation, or modern RP. If you've ever wondered how you should sound clear, confident and neutral, you've come to the right place, because today we're doing a full video on the different aspects of modern RP. It's good for if you want to go into the media, public speaking, have an interview, speak clearly in whichever way you want. It is a really good accent for you. It is actually the accent that I'm speaking right now. So let's go. So the key features of modern RP. Just nice, natural, relaxed. Water. The T is not overly pronounced here. Plus, there's no R sound at the end of words. Let me show you. Car, here, far. We call this non-rhotic. In other words, I didn't say an R sound at the end of the words. It's a nice soft ending at the end. But when the next word starts with a vowel, a linking R appears. Car engine, car engine. So let's move on to the goat vowel. In modern RP, it's closer to go. It's not go, row. It's not really rounded lips. It's a bit less rounded. Go, nice and soft again. The face vowel is like this. Face, face. Not face, face, not forced. It's just nice, easy face. Plus, modern RP keeps the long R sound in words such as dance, grass, path, and bath. Tune, tune. New. Now, some people have updated their accent to say new, but I would say that's not really part of modern RP, so I would stick to the new, tune. I hope it's all making sense. The next section is common words in modern RP. Here are 10 quick examples with modern RP pronunciation. Water. Better. Tune. Dance. Thought. Hear. Car. Student. Mobile. Schedule. Remember, this is a beginner's guide, so you should be starting from the very beginning. Okay, so take it nice and slowly, but try and speak naturally. That's the key. Let's do a quick modern RP workout. Repeat after me. For the T sound, the T, better. City. Water. Aim for clear but not so sharp T's. The long vowel, R. Bath, half, drama. Nice long sound for the R. That's very important because it really identifies the accent as modern RP. Alright, next one is linking R. Say car engine. Far away. Near enough. Now the modern diphthongs. So two sounds that glide into each other. Here we go. Face. Goat. Mouth. Alright, now some practice sentences. Here we go. There are many paths across the park. I bought a new mobile on Monday. It was far easier than I thought. Avoid these 3 common mistakes. Firstly, don't overpronounce like old RP. This can sound unnaturally posh in modern British English. You don't want to sound like it's forced, like you're the king or the queen. You just want to sound like yourself. 2, slipping into the American R. Oh, no. Definitely not. We use a schwa sound at the end. So if you're saying father, it's a nice soft ending at the end. Father. Father. 3 is using Cockney glottal stops everywhere, like water and better. Oh, no. That sounds not very good in modern RP. We want clear T's. But you are allowed to use the glottal stop in some areas, like if you're saying what, you can say that you sort of swallow the last t sound as a glottal stop. But when you're saying water and better, you should pronounce the T sounds in the middle. Water, better. And that's your beginner's guide to the modern RP accent. I hope it was helpful, and I hope now that you go away and practice those sounds. And I'm definitely going to do more videos on modern RP and similar accents. And I just love accents, so I basically spend most of my life working on British accents. That could include Cockney, MLE, Estuary, RP, Modern RP, or any others that take my fancy. So, why don't you put in the comments what you would like to see me do next? I would love to know. And I hope you like and subscribe to the channel and watch a lot of my other videos. I've got plenty of other videos for you to see. So, that's all for me today. I hope you enjoyed, I can call it a masterclass in the modern RP accent. So now it's time for me to go and for you to practice. See you later. Stay connected now. Bath. I really should have a bath. I haven't had a bath in so long, you know.